Welcome to the third day of our mental maths journey. Over the last 2 days, we have started to unlock the secrets of doing calculations quickly and smartly in our minds. We have seen how mental maths is not just about numbers, but about developing confidence, focus, and a sharp memory. Today, we are going to take another step forward. Remember, the goal of mental maths is not just to solve problems faster, but also to train our brain to think in creative and flexible ways. Each trick we learn is like adding a new tool to our mental toolbox. Let's get into the example. When adding three-digit numbers, first we add the leftmost two digits, 73 and 36, that equals to 73 plus 30 plus 6 equals 109. And then we add the unit digits 4 and 5 equals to 9. If the sum of unit digits results in more than one digit, the excess digits will be carried over to left. The resultant value is 1099. Okay, now try this example on your own.